Welcome to our channel. If you need to unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone, follow these step-by-step instructions to disconnect the devices safely. Step 1. Make sure your Apple Watch and iPhone are close to each other and both have sufficient battery. Step 2. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Step 3. Tap the My Watch tab at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Tap All Watches at the top of the screen to see all paired Apple Watches. Step 5. Tap the info button next to the Apple Watch you want to unpair. Step 6. Tap Unpair Apple Watch to begin the unpairing process. Step 7. For cellular models, choose whether to keep or remove your cellular plan. If you're selling the watch, select Remove to cancel the plan. Step 8. Tap Unpair again to confirm your decision. Step 9. Enter your Apple ID password when prompted to disable activation lock. Step 10. Wait for the unpairing process to complete. Your iPhone will automatically create a backup of your Apple Watch before unpairing. Step 11. When unpairing is complete, your Apple Watch will erase all content and settings and show the Hello screen, ready for a new setup. Step 12. If you plan to pair the watch again later, you can restore from the backup that was created during unpairing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.